as you can see from the back, and I'm back with a new video. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, I gotta remind you to subscribe to my channel. If it's not, welcome back. How you doing? Doing fine? Good. First of all, I gotta clarify, even though I look high as hell, I am not high. I'm sorry. But today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. Because before I get into that, let me tell you a story. A few days ago, I received some packages in the mail. I got some glasses. I got some sunglasses and a poster. The Godfather. Let me show you the quote. Let me show you the poster. The Godfather's poster. You know? I received those things and I was like, you know what? I signed them. I was like, you know what? That's all that I got. That's all that I ordered. But a few hours go by and I hear my doorbell ring. And I'm like, who's at the door at this time? So I go and check it out. I see the mailman again. And I'm like, what? I just got my things. You got it wrong. I don't have anything. And he said, you know what? That got nothing to do with me. I got this package. It has this address. You go ahead and do whatever you want to do with it. So I go upstairs and I open the package and I see this. This is the actual package, right? I see this. Bro, these are smart watches. Smart watches. I got a whole box of these. I don't know who they belong to. I don't know who dropped them off in my house, but somebody put the wrong address. I tried to look up who they belong to. They came into this box. This box was beat as hell. You know, there's no name in it. There's no tags in it. Just my address, and that's it. Somebody trapped this off. So I thought, you know what? Let me do a video. This intro been hell long. Let me do a video where I unbox these smartwatches and see what is this about. I actually opened one and I tried it, and you know what? I had this idea. Let me make a video to see if this watch, show the people this watch, and let them decide if this watch is a good alternative for high-end brands like the Samsung and Huawei watches. Let me not mention Apple because I do not think it works with Apple. I tried it. It pairs, it connects with Apple, but it does not work as good as it does with Androids. So let's get into that. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's get into the actual components of the box. And yeah, let's get into it, I guess. So the watch comes in this pretty simple box, black with this lime green touch in here. The brand name Zentality. I've actually looked up these guys on Google, and this is what showed up, what came up, and this is what came up. This is an actual brand, Chinese tech brand. They make tablets, phones, watches like this one, Fitbits, anything you name it, they make it. So let's get into the box. As you can see, with the watch displayed on the front and on the back, it has a bunch of the watch descriptions. I don't know if you can read those. Let me zoom in. So yeah, there you go. It says on the back, the screen size is, here, follow here. Screen size is 1.4, resolution 128 by 128 pixels. Display type, capacitive battery 3.7 volts, 230 milliamps per hour. Bluetooth 3.0, input mini USB. Dimensions, it is 40 by 48 millimeters, 10 millimeters wide, and it weighs 50 grams. These are the options that come with it. As you can see here, it has a calendar, your dialer, brightness, speaker, compass, clock. This is notebook or phone register. This is your dialer, maps, location maps, and voice recorder. So let's get into the actual components of the box and let's get into it. When you get into the actual components, as soon as you open the box, you are greeted with the watch. It comes in a plastic bag. It comes in this plastic bag. Take up the top. It comes with a cable, USB to mini USB cable, user's manual, and the actual watch itself. So after charging the watch, here it is, pretty simple, pretty plasticky with the brand in the back, made in China, the reference number. You can type this on Google and you'll find it. The speakers in here, the mini USB input in here so you can charge it. It is aluminum, it's not metal, with plastic straps. This is the camera and this is the on and off button. Here, when you turn it on, it has this display, this Roman numerals display. You swipe to unlock it, and here you go, your display. You got the time, the date, contacts in your phone book. You have your battery levels in here, your Bluetooth, and it takes SIM card. It actually takes SIM card and a memory card so you can power the camera. You have the settings. You have security settings, connectivity, call settings, anything. You name it, it has it. Restore settings. So you go to the menu. Let's go to the front menu. So when you go into the menu, you have your dialer, your phone book, your call logs, and your messages. These are your main things, the main things that you will find the minute you go to the menu. You swipe, this is all your connectivity things, camera, gallery, files, and remote notifier. You have your settings, your alarm, calculator, and calendar in here. This one, when it gets complicated, you have the sound recorder, the camera, Bluetooth in here, and you have your music player. It actually plays music. You have your profile, you can set your profile. You have your pedometer, your sleep monitor. You have your sedentary reminder. I don't know what that is, but you know, a quick response feature, an anti-lost in case you lose it. I think it has a GPS on it. It comes with Facebook, browser, Twitter, and WhatsApp. But to power these on, you need a SIM card with actual connection, with actual internet in it. So yeah, this is the watch. This is all it has. Now let's test the Bluetooth connectivity and the speakers, I guess. So let's try and connect it to the phone. I have my phone here. Focus. Here's the watch. And let's try and connect it. Okay, it is connected. Here. This is it. DZ09. You see, my phone is in French, so don't mind that. But as you can see, it is connected. Now let's try it. Let's try it and see if it works. Let me call somebody. Let me call my mom. See? It takes phone calls. Now let's try and play some music through it. Let's open up Spotify. Let's play some music. See, it works. So yeah, y'all saw it. It works. It's good. It has speakers. So, as y'all saw with your own eyes, it does what it says and it's supposed to be. It is a smart watch. It does what a smart watch should do. It can help you. It connects to your phone. It gives you easy access to your phone without having need to reach in your pocket and grab your phone and try and work with it. You can have everything from your phone into this on your wrist basically. So I'm not going to form your opinion for you. I'm going to let you make your own opinion and you tell me, is it a good cheap alternative, or would you rather go for the high-end big brands out there? If you have Apple, which most of you do, I don't recommend it, because I tried it with Apple. I didn't film it somehow. I'm stupid. But yeah, I tried it with Apple phones, with the iPhones. It does not work as good. It connects, but it does not work as good as it does with Androids. So you let me know what you think about it. You let me know, would you purchase it? Would you try and purchase it and use it as a cheap alternative, or would you not? So see you on my next video, and I'll see you when I see you, I guess. Peace.